And Sandy. Hugh is the Tim Curry role. Brewster. And Kevin plays Photo.
So yeah, they won for writing for short form.
Way to keep it on track.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's Keith Crawford. So anytime you get to see something on Adult Swim, it's because Keith eventually said, well, all right.
They also won a Best Animated Series TV. Yeah, on the end. The best award of all was Ahmed Best winning for his portrayal of Jar Jar Binks.
So take that in, guys. Take that in. Ahmed Best, who is the actual voice person, the voice actor who played the original Jar Jar Binks, like he's the physical dude that was in the suit when Jake Lloyd and Liam Neeson were like, oh, Jar Jar, blah blah, you know. That's him. So, but that was my Liam Neeson. I'm going to take you. I hear the scariest part. They're going to take you. I do have a very special set of skills for people like you.
And a very strange country of origin.
Where are you from, Dad?
Not exactly.
Not sure, but I can kill people. So the point of all that was that Ahmed took a lot of flack for playing Jar Jar, and this past weekend he won an award, which was really exciting. It was just really cool. It meant a lot to him. I wish he could have been there. Hey, so what else is going on in this panel?
Yeah, tell us about Season 4.
Season 4, oh my gosh, it's actually really exciting. Kevin, do you guys want to talk about Season 4 at all?
Sure, it's already started airing. You've seen some, here's some highlights too.
Well, we had that bit with Ron Moore, Joss Whedon, and Seth MacFarlane.
We did that Star Trek opera, Rapticon.
Who wrote that? That guy's got a straight up chicken too. Man, can I get a picture of your costume?
Yeah, that's great.
Come closer. Yes, let's go to the table.
Oh shit, that's not a costume.
Hey, wait, I can actually see you with everybody. All right, everybody, you're in it. Everybody, wait. It's really kind of cool. He's right next to Dark Anakin, too. Hey, wait, you guys like a prom photo. The chicken smokes, dude. Awesome, I'm so sorry for wasting your time. We just don't get to see this stuff a lot. Thanks, guys. And to Anakin for killing all those kids.
So yeah, Season 4 is on the air right now. We have our
Bring it back, Eve. Bring it back.
7:30 on Sunday night. This Sunday is the last new episode for a while. We're going to take a little break.
Aww. Only so we have new stuff with shorter increments between. That's the way we try and space it out. So that there's, because it takes so long to make the show. So
we're too busy eating donuts.
That's true. We're all going to be our Amazing Race. So we're going to be out of the country for
Yeah, don't worry. On April 26th, coming back for 10 more brand new episodes.
So what else, Keith? What's up?
So,
how's New York?
You want to take some questions?
Oh, that'll probably be. Yeah, we should do that.
Anybody got any questions?
Sealed up, robot chicken.
That's not a question.
You're in the right room.
Wait, how are you answering the
We
question?
have a microphone over here. Let's.
Okay, so if we would like to get people to approach the microphone.